How to transfer money from Apple Gift Card to Apple Pay. You cannot directly transfer money from an Apple Gift Card to Apple Pay, as Apple Gift Cards are designed for purchases within Apple's ecosystem and cannot be added to Apple Pay or Apple Cash. However, here's what you can do. Open the App Store app, then tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code option. Use your camera to scan the code or enter it manually. This adds the gift card balance to your Apple ID account. The redeemed balance can be used for App Store purchases, subscriptions, example, Apple Music, iCloud. The balance cannot be withdrawn or moved to other payment methods like Apple Pay. If you need to use the balance for something outside Apple's ecosystem, buy a product from the Apple Store. Return the item for a refund to your original payment method. Alternatively, use your Apple ID balance for Apple purchases and reserve your linked bank or card funds for other expenses via Apple Pay. If you have further questions, Apple's support team can provide assistance. Thanks for watching.